Welcome guys, this is Srikanth here. In this video I'm going to show you how to create the following app where you can see when the fill button is clicked, the circle is filled with some sort of blue color, and when someone clicks the unfill button, you can see it is coming down. Okay, so basically these kind of things you will see in apps like water drinking tracking apps or some sort of gym apps. Okay, you will basically see this kind of animations. So let's see how we can do this in Flutter. Okay, so basically I call it circle filling app, but it depends on how you could use it in your apps. Okay, so let's go to Visual Studio Code first, create the new project. So I'm going to remove the default code from main.dat file and going to start coding this app from the scratch. Okay, so first of all I will take a stateful widget because we are going to click some button and then do some sort of state changes. We are going to actually change the state of the app, so that we are going to take a stateful widget. Okay, stateful widget my app, and wherever the red squiggly line appears, go there and just click control dot and then import the library. Okay, and then void main of okay. So now we have the basic app. Okay, so even if you run this will just come up in the emulator. Okay, just like a blank screen. Okay, now we are going to do it like a material app, so that we'll have the app bar and everything. Okay, all the required styling, material styling will come. Okay, so let's wait for the app to load into the emulator. Okay, it's there. So it's a blank app there. Okay, material app, and material app takes home of scaffold. I'm going to declare app bar of title is equal to so with this we'll get an app bar. Okay, and then we have to give the body. Okay, so in body, so basically we are going to have a circle, right? So we need to have a circle. Inside that we need to show something like blue in color. So basically it consists, if you see this, so this is the outer content. There are two containers here, outer container and inner container. Inner container is the blue container. Okay, when these buttons are clicked, we are actually growing the we are actually growing the inner container. It looks like it is filling up and coming down. Okay, that's what we are doing. So basically, so we are going to create containers in shape of circles. Okay, so we are going to take a column. First of all, we are going to take a column which will have containers, and then we will have the button bar. Okay, we'll have some kind of text showing what is the value, fill value. Okay, so we are going to take a column. Okay, with just children. Okay, So the first one is uh, the so we'll be building these containers in the separate class. Okay, so for that I am going to create a class here. My filling container. Okay, so I will be writing it later. So this is where we have the circles, and then we're going to have a text value, text of something showing fill value null. Okay, so this is the value here, and then a button bar which will be having two buttons. Okay, so one is a raise button off, child is equal to text of fill. Okay, so similarly we are going to have a another button with unfill. So let's run and see where. So obviously we are getting error because this class is not implemented. Okay, and pad value is also not declared. So let me declare the pad value over here. Is equal to 1. Okay, so the buttons are there and fill value is there, but the buttons are on the other side, so I will move them to the middle. Okay, so I'll go to the button bar and align them main axis alignment dot center. Okay, so the buttons are moved into the middle now. Okay, so let me give some sort of, like, let me define the on pressed function now, so that you can see the pad value will get increased. So I will declare it like this. Okay, so now we have given on pressed function for two buttons. Okay, here we are decrementing it. Okay, so now you can see that this value grows and goes back. Okay, so now we have to create this widget. Okay, so for that widget we are going to create a stateless widget only. Okay, state, because we are not making any changes over there. Okay, but even though this is state, like this is where such state is changing the values, if you can just pass this value into this container, the output will be visible. Okay, so let's create a stateless widget. Okay, my filling container. Okay, so my filling container, we have the container. So first of all let's create the container in shape of a circle. Okay, so for that I'm going to give a background color. Okay, so let's do like this. Okay, color is equal to background color. Okay, background color B. Okay, let it be passed with from the class. Okay, final color background color. Okay, we need color for like the filling color as well, right? That is progress color. Okay, so is equal to colors dot gray, colors dot gray. Here colors dot blue. Okay, so we have two colors. Okay, we have given the background color. Okay, so we need to have two containers, right? So let's do one thing. So we'll form them in a stack. Okay, stay stack. Okay, stack will have, okay, stack doesn't have this. Okay, okay, we need to have two containers here. Okay, okay, since we don't have any specific size given, nothing is being shown there. So even if you refresh it, nothing will be shown there because no size is given. So let's pass this size value here as well. Okay, so let's put this stack inside a inside a sizer box so that both the containers will get the same size. Okay, okay, and then height is equal to size, width is equal to size. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so after giving the sizer box, go above and enable this class, uncomment it, so you will be able to see the container here. Okay, so but we are not actually passing the pad value, right? So let's pass the pad value here. Okay, so let it be size, not size. Okay, progress pad value by 10. Okay, so you'll see why we are giving 10 here. Okay, so and then final double progress. Okay, so just click control dot on the red squiggly line and it will create the constructor. So you'll have this progress available now. Okay, and you can use that in the app. Okay, so progress is equal to okay, we have this, right? Height is equal to size into progress. Okay, so here now if I click on, you can see, okay, it is filling, but it's slightly different than what is required. Okay, so I will go here and add some padding on top. So we have given some padding on top. Even if you want to give something after the okay, so we have given. So now we need to manage to get this water filling at the bottom and make everything look like a circle. Okay, So in order to make everything look like a circle, so we go here to sizer box. Okay, so in order to make everything look like a circle, we actually use a clip react. Okay, so clip r rect. Okay, clip r rect. Okay, clip r rect, and then we will specify a border radius there. Border radius dot circular off, and then we will give the size. So once it is given, you can see that everything has become a circle. So now we need to bring this water to the bottom. Okay, so for that what we are going to do is we are going to go to the second container and align that. Okay, align that to the bottom center and see what happens now. Align bottom center. Okay, and you can see now. Okay, so you can see that the example is done now. Okay, so this is a very simple example. Okay, hope I was able to provide an insight on how this can be done, and you can use this kind of things in number of other apps where you are keeping track of some sort of progress. Okay, I will leave those things to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.